Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Chaitanya Suresh Chaudhary. I am third year computer engineering student of Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Under project based learning activity, we have made a project on current weather in which group members are Sachin Diwase, Chaitanya Chaudhary, Nikhil Patil, Swaraj Goe, and this project is guided by Professor Sheikh Zarina ma'am. Our project is on weather app. Aim of this app is its ability to display the current weather of city throughout the world. As we know, weather forecasting is application of science and technology to predict the condition of atmosphere for a given location and time. Programming language used in this project is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Features are it give weather forecasting involves the current information like cloudy, cover, rain, snow, wind speed and temperature of current cities. Application of our project is that it alerts the user of current situation of weather situation over the city. Scope of this project is that to inform the weather condition of any cities before it has happened. Conclusion of our project is that it helps to get the current weather condition of desired place, as if the traveler will be happy to use this map to find out the condition in the city they are going to visit. Now my friend Sachin Devas will tell you which kind of coding are used in this app.
Hello friends, my name is Sachin Abhimanyu Tulsi. Our group created the weather app which shows the weather information of any city. Suppose here we enter the city name like Pune and click on the search button. In this container, app shows the information about the weather. Here the location, here the temperature in degrees Celsius, here the climate. Suppose we enter another city name Delhi and search. It shows the information about Delhi. Here we written some code. Here we written CSS code to design or style our app, our web app. Here we written HTML page with this code. We created that search button, and with this code we created this container which shows the weather information. Here we written the JavaScript code. Here we define variables, location, temperature value, and climate. Here we create arrow function. When user click on that, when user click enter the city name and click on the search button, our app fetch the data with the API and shows the city name, climate, and temperature value in degrees Celsius. Here, suppose with the help of this code, suppose we enter the wrong city name, it shows alert city not found. Suppose we enter only W and click on the search button. Here it shows city not found. Okay, thank you friends for watching.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.